Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians of triangle ABC. Given A coordinate, B coordinate, C coordinate is given to in the question. See, this is A, this is B, this is C. What is a median? Median is a line joining from opposite vertex to a base. Okay, we can say median is a line joining from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side, and it must be bisecting the opposite side. Means, or we can say median is a line joining the midpoint of a side of a triangle to its opposite vertex. Simple. If you draw, this is the median AD, so which means BD is equal to CD here, and it is a midpoint. D is a midpoint of BC. If I draw another median here, so that median will be like this. It is dividing. Okay, let it be E. So E should be the midpoint of AC. Another median will also be passing like this, and let it be F. So F should be the midpoint of AB. So these are the three medians. One thing to be noted here, medians are concurrent, means they will pass through one single point. Second property of the medians are that they intersect each other in the ratio of 2:1. This is the property. All the properties have to be remembered, and you have to use it in the question that we have. And this is the property here. So what is the property saying? Centroid, we call that point as a centroid. This point is called centroid. Of a triangle is a point of intersection of its medians, and it divides each median in the ratio of 2:1. So this part will be 2 and this part will be 1. 2x, 1x, like that. Okay. So now we have to find the coordinate. Okay, we have to find the coordinate here. Is that okay? Of the point of intersection, the coordinate of G that we have to find in it. How to find it out? So see, in this triangle that we have, D is a midpoint. So what I'll do is I will find out the coordinate of D in it. Fine. Once the coordinate of D has been found out, then I already have the coordinate of A. I will get the coordinate of D, and we know that this is in the ratio of 2:1. Using section formula, I can find out the coordinate of G in it. Simple. So let's do this now. First we'll find out this. So what is that? This is the midpoint. D is a midpoint of BC, so which means we have to use a midpoint formula. So let it be X here and let it be Y. So what is X? X is equal to X1 plus X2 upon 2, right? So what is X1? 6. X2, 4. So it will be 6 plus 4 upon 2, that will be equal to 10 upon 2, that will be 5. Simple. Or we can write it here. X, this is 5. Got it? Now similar way we can find Y also. So Y will be equal to Y1 plus Y2 upon 2, and that is, this is Y1, this is Y2, 7 plus 1, and 8 upon 2, that is 4. So this is 4. Now we will use section formula in this case here. How? See, A has been given, so I'll just underline all of this. Okay, so we can say let it be, okay, section formula, how do we use it? Let it be X1. This says X1 here, I'm writing it X1. And this is Y1, okay, and this is going to be X2 and Y2 now, okay, and this will become X and Y. Use the formula. What is the formula that we have? That is, X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2, and Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Is that okay? So X will be, X is how much? We have to calculate that. So X will be equal to, M1 is how much? This is 2. and then x2 will be 5. So 2 into 5 plus m2 is 1 and x1 is minus 2 upon what is the m1 is 2 plus m2 is 1, and similar here y is equal to how much? M1 is 2 into y1 y2 is 4 in it. Okay, so 4 plus m2 is 1 into y1 which is 3 in it upon 2 plus 1. Simple. When I solve it, what do we get? So x is equal to 5 2 is at 10 minus 2 upon 3. So that is 8 upon 3. And for this other one, y is equal to 8 plus 3 upon 3. So 11 upon 3. So what is the coordinate that we got for g here? That is 8 upon 3 and 11 upon 3. So we have got this coordinate here. Okay, so we can say g coordinate is 8 upon 3 is x and 11 upon 3 is y. So this is how we have to solve it here.